In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for construction management, step by step, using a ready-made template. This setup is perfect for contractors, project managers, and construction teams who want better visibility and control over their work without the hassle of starting from scratch. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as I have plenty of more tips and tutorials to share. Alright, let's jump into it. First things first, you'll want to sign into your ClickUp account. You can do this either with your email address or using your Google login, whichever you find easier. Once you're inside your workspace, you should see the main dashboard. This is where all your spaces and projects live, and from here we're going to get everything organized. Now look for the option to add or create a new space. This is a crucial step, because your construction projects will be housed here. When prompted, I suggest you type in Construction Management as the name of your space. This keeps everything clear and labeled, which is so important in the often chaotic world of construction. Once you've named your space, the next step is to click on the Use Templates option. This is where I think ClickUp really shines, because it saves you a massive amount of setup time. Trust me on this, it's a game changer. You'll find yourself navigating the template library, and here you should search specifically for Construction Project Management. This template is specially designed for workflows in construction, encompassing tasks, phases, and progress tracking, which is vital for keeping everything on track. After you've found the Construction Project Management template, go ahead and click on it. Once you open the template, you'll want to click on Use Template. ClickUp will prompt you to confirm how you'd like to implement it into your workspace. Here, you just have to click Use Template once again to finalize everything. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, your construction management space will be created, complete with pre-built lists, tasks, and statuses all ready to go. It's incredibly helpful to have these elements set up for you, so you can spend less time configuring and more time focusing on managing your projects. Now that you're inside your new construction management space, this is where the fun begins. You can start customizing tasks to suit your individual project needs. Think of this as putting together a puzzle. You'll want to assign the right pieces, or in this case, the right team members to specific tasks. You can do things like set due dates for tasks, update statuses to track progress, and even add in priority levels so that everyone knows what to focus on during the workday. There's so much depth within ClickUp that allows for effective communication among teams. Collaborating in real time ensures that your teams are always up to date on their assignments and project timelines, minimizing any miscommunication that can often lead to delays. And there you have it. You've successfully set up ClickUp for construction management using a template, which means you can now manage your projects, timelines, and teams all in one place. If this tutorial helped you at all, I encourage you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm excited to bring you more ClickUp tips and productivity guides that will help streamline your work processes even further. Thanks for watching today's video, and I hope to see you next time as we explore more ways to enhance your construction management skills.